On our wedding anniversary, my husband surprised me with this Uniqlo round mini shoulder bag. Hi! Hello everyone! Today I'm happy to share with you my new bag. And this is called the Uniqlo round mini shoulder bag. I initially saw a video from Hello Catwalk City's new bag. When she bought the Uniqlo, the black version, she explained that the bag is really very functional for her, very lightweight. I think that these kinds of bags matches my personality because I really am a fan of lightweight bags. When you carry them, it wouldn't hurt your shoulders, and I think that I would like to get this Uniqlo bag as well. But then when I saw in Shopee, I saw some dupes right there. Then I decided to get the dupe to test first if this bag really will fit my everyday bag necessity. And I really enjoyed using it. I'm so happy that my husband surprised me with the authentic one. And with my favorite color, of course, which is pink. And now I'm going to share with you some details of this bag and what can fit inside of this very cute bag from Uniqlo. So this bag has the half moon shape, and the material of this bag is a very soft nylon material. I believe this is the version 2 that they have released, because the version 1, the one that became viral, has the crinkled material. I wish to have that as well so that I can show you. And this is the piping of the bag. It has a different material with the material of the outside of the bag. This gives the bag the shape. And then this is the tag. The color is called 12 pink, and it measures 280 in width by 170 height by 100 millimeters the depth. So the material is all made from polyester. There. So it is a very soft material, continues all the way, and you can see that is the stitching to make the bag very durable. This is the material of the strap that can be adjusted because of this plastic adjustment belt. And also on the other side, you can see that they have double stitched to make it durable. Then this is the zipper pull. It's just a simple zipper with the same color of the bag, and this is a plastic zipper. So let's open. So the inside of the bag also matches the outside because of the color. It's also colored pink. It comes with 2 slit pockets on the inside, and that's it. And this is their tag. Okay. So this is just a simple bag. It's very lightweight. It's very flexible. But it feels that it has like a foam on the inside that is attached. So now I'd like to share with you what fits, what's inside my Uniqlo round mini shoulder bag. Very smooth zippers, I should say. My phone case. I have here my Coach corner zip wristlet where I have placed some of my small essentials. I have here my Lucas Papaw. I have a Tic Tac. Then I have here my medallion, my Angel's medallion, Saint Raphael. The pin for my SIM. This is my eyebrow pencil from EB Advance. some emergency medicines, my chopstick. This is a band-aid with thermometer. And I have here some hair ties. It's just a card from my care card from Coach. Then I have here a small wallet. I have placed some coins and bills. Then I have here a pen, a comb, another pen, a small pack of tissues. It's from DIY. My favorite lip gloss from Sugar Dolls, called the Gloss Boss, and the color is Diamond. My perfume, my Yuna. This is my key holder, which houses my small keys. And I have here an alcohol dispenser that I can easily attach on the outside of the bag, also pink. And lastly, I have here a water bottle, which is a 500 ml bottle. This is a Pocari Sweat. Very handy because these days are very hot days, super summer days. So this is a large water bottle that can fit inside this bag. So these are the things that can fit inside my Uniqlo round mini shoulder bag. So this bag became very famous in TikTok and also in YouTube Shorts. A lot of people would like to buy this bag. Now I know it's because of its functionality, its versatility. It's very simple, yet it can carry a lot of your daily essential items. It is very lightweight and it can easily be cleaned and sanitized. I would also like to show you that since I enjoyed using mine, the husband also bought one for himself and for our son. I'll just quickly show you. He got himself a black version, and for our son, he got the blue version. So we all have the same bag. I'm so excited for us to wear the same type of bag when we go out, like a matchy theme, family theme. So if you have some questions, some suggestions for me, please do write on my comment section below. I'm really happy to answer them. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time,